What I love about Paris is I can enjoy Paris very much with my family, alone with my friends. I do travel a lot, so coming back to Paris was always nice. We always say, no, Paris is always a good idea. Well, that's my plan every day. I live in Paris and I'm very lucky about it. It's beautiful. I'm Spanish, so I love proving my culture here, and it's just fun. It's a lot of fun in Paris. Bonjour West Wing, I'm Ines de Cominges and welcome to my house. I moved to Paris 12 years ago. I was given an opportunity to work for Condé Nast. I ran after it. I've been moving around beautiful fashion houses in Paris for over 7 years. And for the last 4 years, I've been working for my husband, François, at Châtel, is our brand. We do shoes for a woman, now men, and I'm also mommy, 2 kids, baby boys, and as a content creator as well. So I chose this home 5 years ago. Actually, this was initially our showroom. First time I came inside, I fell in love. It's beautiful, it's so Parisian. The house speaks by itself. The walls, the windows, everything, all these little details dress up already the house in a way that with anything you will put inside, it will look beautiful. I have the views, I have the light, so the atmosphere of it, I felt like a home. I could not believe it was a showroom. I was like, this is gonna be my home. After a year, got married. I was like, I'm moving in. And this is what happened, and I've been here for 5 years now. My living room, I think, is the most special place of my whole house. Every piece is special for me. The books, there's a story on it. My West Wing pillows, of course. The chimney makes it cozy straight away. Tables are also very special. They are my great-great-mothers. They come from Spain. Everything and every piece was done in Spain. It took me 2 days to bring everything here, and we installed the house in literally 1 day. This is my kids' room where they sleep together. I created it with a lot of love. It's changed a lot because now I've got 2. So I've got bed and crib, and I created with this lovely color where the kids can come and have a peaceful moment to sleep, but also to play, to have it fun. It's always onto the green, beiges, a little bit goes also with the atmosphere of the house. This chair here, it was my chair when I was a baby. I've got elephants all around the house because I got married in India. And very special for me as well are these little 2 paintings with the kids' name, which are fun and they remember of everything they like. We have Châtel on one of them, elephants of India, and then Casimir came in, so everything makes sense. And yeah, they love this room. It's a fun moment. So this is my room, my most private place of the house. I think, if I don't get it wrong, at the beginning this was a library, but I created as a room because of the ceilings, which are very French, very special. And I wanted this to be my own room. It's the end of the side of the house, so there's no noise and it's more calm. It was also for me important because of the chance I have with these views. I put up a mirror into the other side of the room, so the reflection of the light and the Musée Rodin, every morning and every day we can see it. And I think it's a beautiful thing, and it worked out really well actually. So this is the entry and the library of our home, where we have most of all our memories of our travels, weddings, events that we do. We bring always a little bit into this library and we style it, and it goes very well because it's like a library says, it's full of stories, and this is what it is for us. We also have this imperial table, which is very special for me, and it looks beautiful here as the entrance is. I always think that the entrance and the library is a little bit your image on how you're welcoming all your friends and guests, and this reflects exactly who we are as a couple. It's cozy, it's spacious as well to receive and to say goodbye to all our friends. So come with me, I'm gonna show you my most special and surprising moment, which is showing you my dinner for this evening. So this is the last and my favorite room, which is the dining room, where I spend most of my time. I love hosting, and this is where all the fun and dinners happen, my friends, the stories, the laughing. This is where it happens. Through the day is where we have lunch with my family, dinner as well sometimes, where I work as well is here. And so it's my favorite for sure of the whole house. Be here. Westwing, thank you very much for coming into our home in Paris.
Merci, au revoir. Tac. Tac, tac. Hello.